We're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to do some compounding. As you can see, I have only $100 in my real account. We'll be using these $100 to perform some compounding steps and see how much we can make from it. Let's get started. Here we have a USD-CHF trade for a downside move because there's a strong resistance level. I'll show you. First, I'll place a $1 trade. Now I'll place a $99 trade for the downside move at this good resistance level. There's also a pattern here. You can see 4 consecutive green candles forming a good pattern. Now this candle is expected to move down. It's a significant drop. The trade is currently in our favor with 11 seconds and 15 seconds left. Let's see the result. I think it's a big win. And yes, it's a great win. Let's find another trade and complete the first compounding step. Since it's an OTC market, I'll take only 1-minute trades. Let's find another opportunity. I found a trade on American Express OTC for a downside move. Following the same pattern and logic, I'm waiting for a good entry point. There's a strong resistance level and the same 4 green candles pattern. I'll place a $191 trade for the downside move. Let's see how it goes. The trade is going in our favor. You can see candles taking support exactly from the line and resistance as well. Only 16 seconds left, and I think it's another big win, just like the previous one. Yes, it's a win. We've made $364 from just $100, almost 3.5 times our initial amount. Let's find another trade. Here we have an opportunity for an upside move with the same pattern and logic. There's a good support level. Okay, I missed this trade. Let's find another one in the normal market. The normal market isn't doing well, so let's switch back to OTC. I found a trade on Boeing Company OTC for an upside move. There's a pattern and a small support level. It's a bit risky, but there's a pattern with a small green doji. I'm waiting for a good entry point. I've placed a trade of $364 for the upside move. The candle is moving in our favor. Still 30 seconds left. It's a confirmed win. This is a solid pattern, and those who join our live sessions know how effective this pattern is. Let's find another trade. We've made $700 from just $100. Now let's find a trade in the normal market. The normal market is very volatile, especially on CAD CHF. Let's wait for another candle. No, the candle movement is too fast. We'll avoid this trade. The candle has already moved down, becoming a red candle. So we'll avoid it. Here we have a trade on odd NZD for an upside move. There's a good support level and a pattern. I'll place a $700 trade. Let's wait. Still 1 minute left. It's a good support level and pattern. The trade is not in our favor. Only 10 seconds left. Okay, it's a win. We've made $1,344 from just $100. I'll place a trade of $1,344 for a downside move on Amazon OTC because there's a pattern with a red doji and a resistance level. The candle is falling quickly from the entry level. It's another big win. We've made $2,459 from just $100. Let's find one more trade. If we don't find a good opportunity, we'll end this compounding session here. There's a good trade, but I missed it. Let's look in the normal market. No good opportunities in the normal market. All our wins were in the OTC market. Let's find one more trade in the normal market. I found a trade on Boeing Company for an upside move. I'll place a $2,459 trade because the resistance level has turned into support. There's also a pattern. The candle might take resistance from here. Let's see. Still 10 seconds left. And the candle is moving in our favor. Only 3 seconds left. It reversed, no problem. I think we should stop here. We've already made $2,459 from just $100. The logic behind all these trades is based on support and resistance with no reliance on price action or candlestick psychology. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.